PhDizzle, and I'm your host, Alice Chang, and today we are interviewing Dylan McCreedy, who got his PhD in biomedical engineering and who is now working as a postdoctoral fellow at UCSF and the Gladstone Institutes.
So I trained as a biomedical engineer. I started in undergrad at University of Utah, and then went and did got my PhD at WashU in St. Louis. And my focus of my research has turned into spinal cord injury and looking at how the immune response affects the injured spinal cord.
How did you get into the space? I mean, did you have a spinal cord injury, or did you know somebody? Or?
No, I was always interested in neuroscience, and then I'm deaf in my right ear, and so I was always interested in nerve injury, and spinal cord injury was just one that I thought was really interesting. And so when I set out to get my PhD, I identified a lab that worked in stem cells and spinal cord injury, which I thought were the two cool topics. But I've transitioned into the immune response, which is kind of my new hobby, I guess, for research.
Immune hobbies.
Yeah.
Look, who's this?
This is Tater Tot. This is our cat.
Hey Dylan, who's this person in the kitchen?
This is my wife, Jessie. She's making some cookies for a holiday cookie exchange she organized. It's like a cookie top.
Oh no.
Oh.
There we go. We do like to cook a lot.
Yeah.
We already cooked dinner tonight.
What'd you make?
Tacos.
Turkey tacos. Wow.
Yeah.
Got that alliteration also.
That's
Very
right.
good.
In all
Yeah.
of our food choices.
Actually, it's funny because you guys, I think, work together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Currently, I'm making the stem cells. I'm differentiating them into.
Are they
neurons.
your stem cells?
No, they're
Oh.
human stem cells though. So they're induced pluripotent stem cells.
Okay.
So they started as a fibroblast or a skin cell, and then they've been reprogrammed to be pluripotent, which means they can become any type of cell of the body. And I differentiate them into a specific type of cell that's found in the spinal cord. And then Dylan over here puts those into the animals so we can test them in models of spinal cord injury. So
Animals.
if we want a solution for spinal cord injury, I mean, I think that there are many people who would appreciate a solution to spinal cord injury. And one way that we can test that is using animals.
Essentially, you can't do experiments for spinal cord injury without humans unless you use some sort of animal model.
Right, because to get it to market, you have to do the animal testing, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's there are certain vets that are involved in pets that have spinal cord injuries, but those are not common enough occurring that they there aren't a lot of dogs riding motorcycles, so
Yeah.
you don't get spinal cord injury enough that allows you to step in.
And you guys are obviously animal lovers. PhDizzle, having fun with smart people and cats who do cool things.